Imagine a vehicle so big, so shiny, and so luxurious that it looks like it just drove out of the future. Today, we're going to take a super close look at the most incredible motorhome ever designed. This isn't just any motorhome. It's a one-of-a-kind, ultra-luxury, futuristic motorhome inspired by Rolls-Royce. If you love cars, fancy design, or just cool things on wheels, you're in for a treat. By the end of this video, you'll see why people are calling this the most insane motorhome ever built. Let's start with the outside, because wow, the moment you see it, you'll know this is something different. First off, the color is this amazing dark emerald green metallic paint. It's deep, shiny, and reflects the light in a way that makes the whole motorhome glow like it's alive. Along the edges, there are these fine gold lines that really pop against the green. And of course, the classic Rolls-Royce RR emblem is on the front and the sides, giving it that ultimate luxury feel. Now the shape. It's smooth and aerodynamic, kind of like a spaceship, but also like a super luxury bus. The body is huge, armored, and monolithic, which just screams power and security. The panels are seamless, which means there aren't any weird gaps or breaks. It's like one big sculpted piece of art. Then, the front grille, wow. It's ultra-wide, with vertical lines that make it look even more majestic. And the panoramic black-tinted glass cabin on top? That's where you can sit and enjoy the view while feeling like royalty. The wheels are a whole story themselves. There are 8 of them, big and bold, with black rims and gold accents. The tires are futuristic low profile, which not only makes the motorhome look amazing, but also improves stability and grip. Just seeing it parked on a showroom floor feels like watching a luxury yacht on wheels. Speaking of the showroom, imagine it sitting there on a circular ramp, rotating slowly so you can see every angle. The sunlight through the glass walls reflects beautifully off the paint, and the whole effect is cinematic. Every curve, every gold accent, and every inch of this motorhome is highlighted perfectly. Okay, now let's step inside, and this is where it really blows your mind. The first thing you notice is the lounge area. It's huge and open, with ultra-soft leather seats in cream and emerald tones. The gold accents continue inside, matching the outside perfectly. The lounge has floating sofas and seamless panels that make it feel like a luxury hotel suite. You can sit back and relax, and the large panoramic windows give you an amazing view outside. Right next to the lounge is a small but fully equipped kitchen. It's compact but has everything you need, from a stove to a sink, all designed with the same premium materials as the rest of the motorhome. The kitchen and lounge blend perfectly, making the space feel even bigger. There's ambient LED lighting everywhere, giving it a warm and futuristic glow. If you move further in, you'll find the bedroom. It's king size, with a premium leather and fabric bed. The colors match the lounge, keeping the emerald and cream theme, and there are gold accents here too. There's a panoramic black-tinted window, so you can wake up to an amazing view every morning. The room is quiet, cozy, and feels like your personal luxury hotel room on wheels. The bathroom is equally stunning. Marble surfaces, gold fixtures, seamless sink, and shower design, all bathed in soft LED light. It's compact but extremely luxurious, like something you'd find in a 5-star hotel. Every detail is crafted to perfection. Now, let's talk features, because this motorhome isn't just about looking good. It's packed with tech. The driver cabin is futuristic, with a premium leather steering wheel, digital displays, and a clear view through the panoramic windshield. Navigation, safety systems, and control panels are all integrated seamlessly. You feel in total control while driving something that feels more like a spaceship than a motorhome. Performance-wise, this beast is surprisingly strong. The armored body doesn't slow it down. Thanks to modern engineering and advanced wheels, it handles really well on highways and even on jungle or mountain roads. You can comfortably cruise at highway speeds, and the ride is incredibly smooth thanks to the suspension system that absorbs bumps perfectly. The motorhome's 8 wheels also help distribute weight, giving a stable and safe ride. Speaking of speed, while it's not a sports car, it's still impressively fast for something this size. It can easily reach highway speeds and maintain stability. Acceleration is smooth, so you never feel like you're driving something too heavy. Every move feels controlled, safe, and luxurious. Now let's talk about price. A motorhome like this doesn't come cheap. Considering the design, the materials, the tech, and the fact that it's Rolls-Royce inspired, the estimated price could easily be around $3 million to $5 million. Yes, it's expensive, but remember, you're not just buying a motorhome. You're buying a full luxury experience, a hotel on wheels, a statement of style, and a piece of futuristic design. People often wonder, is it practical? Well, for everyday driving, it's massive, so parking is tricky, and it's really meant for people who want the ultimate luxury travel experience. But for road trips, exhibitions, or even just showing off at an event, it's perfect. You have the best of comfort, luxury, and style all in one. Let's summarize why this motorhome is so special. First, the exterior is breathtaking with its emerald green metallic paint, gold accents, Rolls-Royce inspiration, massive wheels, and panoramic glass. Second, the interior is pure luxury, with a lounge, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom that feel like a hotel suite. Third, the performance is surprisingly capable for such a big vehicle, with smooth handling, highway speed capability, and stability on any road. Fourth, the tech is advanced, from the driver cabin to lighting and entertainment. And finally, the price reflects all of this premium quality and design, making it one of the most luxurious motorhomes in the world. So, if you ever dreamed of traveling in ultimate luxury, this futuristic Rolls-Royce inspired motorhome is the vehicle of your dreams. It's safe, comfortable, beautiful, and futuristic, all at the same time. Whether you're driving down a highway, parked at an exhibition, or exploring a scenic route, this motorhome will turn heads everywhere you go. In the end, what makes this motorhome truly amazing is not just the design or the luxury, but the experience. From the moment you see it to the moment you sit inside, it feels like you're stepping into a new world. A world where travel isn't just about moving from one place to another, but about enjoying every second of the journey in comfort, style, and elegance. That's it for today's review. If you loved seeing this ultra-luxury futuristic motorhome, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what part of this vehicle you love the most. Was it the outside, the lounge, the bedroom, or the futuristic driver cabin? Let us know. And remember, when it comes to motorhomes, this one isn't just a vehicle, it's a masterpiece.